everyone, it's your girl Sukie. In this video, I'm gonna recommend my top 3 most favorite TV dramas, which are also extremely popular this year. And they're also very good choices to be your Chinese learning materials. By the way, the last TV drama is the most amusing one. So the first one is 二十不惑 20不惑 20不惑 20 is 20, and here it refers to age. 不 is not. Very easy, right? 不. And 惑 means confused. 惑 So 不惑 means not confused.
这不是你大一列的那个愿望清单吗？
你们能完成几项？
让我来康康。凉爽。
10点半了，关灯，我要睡觉。
They are roommates in college, and upon graduation, they all have their struggles and they kind of feel lost. And these 4 girls are with very different backgrounds. One is a very rich girl, but very innocent, and she's talking about like celebrities and food all the time. The second girl is very pretty, but she's kind of cold to other people. And the third girl has a very tough relationship with her mom because her mom plans everything for her. And the fourth girl is more than ordinary, and she kind of, envies her roommates. She's actually my favorite character in this TV drama because she has a very, romantic story with her boss. I don't really think having a thing with your boss is a very good idea, but their story is really cute. And this drama is very related to daily life in college. So if you're into something, very fun, very romantic college love stories, check it out. The second TV show is Oh my god, 以家人之名 which can be translated into in the name of family, but the official English name is called Go Ahead. But anyways, oh my god, I'm so excited because in this show you're gonna find one of my favorite actors, and his name is Song Weilong. He's so cute, really handsome, and really good at flirting. Okay, this drama is about a girl and her 2 brothers.
我李尖尖，今天来例假啦！
Although she calls them brother, they're not, related by blood at all. In fact, her elder brother lives upstairs, and his mother abandoned him when he was little. So the girl invited him to have meals with her and her dad ever since then. And the second brother was also abandoned by his mother. So sad. And his mother went on a blind date with her father. So the boy lived with her families ever since then. As you can see, 3 kids not biologically, related in any way, grew up together, and they love each other very, very much. It's like a very normal and just like a real family. And there are many hilarious scenes, in this TV show. As you can imagine, 3 kids, a big family, there has to be a lot of stories and laughter, right? So in general, this is a very loving, very warm, and a very fun TV drama about families, girls, and love. And it's got Song Weilong in it. The third TV drama is by far the most amusing one of the year in my opinion, and it's called 我喜欢你, which means I like you. And the official English name is called Dating in the Kitchen. So as you can probably guess, it's a love story and has something to do with food, right? So the main actress is actually a cook, and the actor is a very rich, very successful businessman who happens to own the hotel the actress works in. And this TV drama is, oh my god, so fun, so hilarious. I literally, laughed to tears many times. For example, the actor once accidentally fell into the water because of the actress, and he was poisoned by soup, and she made him drink soap water to vomit. But because of the soap water, he was like a bubble gun. Oh my god. It was really funny. You have to check it out. It's one of the funniest TV drama of the year. It's called 我喜欢你. Alright, these are the 3 TV dramas I want to recommend, and I'll put the name below, you can check it out. They are very fun to watch and very good for you to learn Chinese. In the meantime, come hang out with me on my Instagram and website to learn Chinese. My name is Sukie, and I'll see you next one. Bye!